If you don't want to see this kind of bill in your Firebase account, then watch this video till the end. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and welcome back to my series of video about Firebase. In this video, I'm going to talk about really important topic. It's a rule that you should set up in your Firebase account once you change it from the free version into paid version. If you want to know what rules, then watch this video till the end. If you're ready, then let's get started. 100,000 Firebase bill. This developer woke up to 100,000 Firebase bill. And all because he forgot to set up these simple rules. Firebase default has no hard quota cap. It just charges. It means if you don't monitor your account carefully, you could be in the trouble. To avoid that, we need to set up budget limit. There are multiple ways how you can do that. First way, in initial setup, when you change your plan from free one to the paid one, you will be given the option to set up the budget. Set up the budget that you are ready to spend, and Google will send you notification when you will be close to the limit 50%, 90%, and 100%. Another way inside console.cloud.google.com. Suppose you change the plan but forgot to set up the budget, so you go to this website, then click budget and select your project. And then you can select the settings here. You can define the budget for month, year, quarter, and so on. You also can set up different level of notifications. I recommend you to set up alert to the billing administrator and email alert to the project owner. You also connect a pops up topic to this project. You can write the script that will turn off your application if it's reached certain budget, because sometimes alert could come with delay, so it will be safer if you have some settings that can turn off your application for a while. If you are interested in how to do that, let me know in the comments below and I will make the video. But at least for now, make sure you set up the budget and set up the alerts. Stay safe. And that's it. This simple rule can help you to avoid Firebase bill disaster. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. You still click like, but share with me your feedback and comments below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.